Hello CMS. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create an offering within the Flex Scheduler program. Now, as I do this, I am logged in as Andy Malone because the dashboard I see as an administrator of the scheduler is a little bit different, and I wanted to make sure you saw what you were going to see when you logged in. So when you log in, you'll get to this screen, and what I want you to do is click on Edit Offerings, and then this screen will pop up. And now when you have offerings, it'll fill up the page, but since there is none yet, you'll put Create an Offering. So you have the title here. So let's say this is, again, this is Andy, so you have to put 7 because he's 7th grade, Malone, and we're going to call this one Support. And then let's say this is Civil War Test Prep. And then I'm just going to copy and paste the description, and I have already. So it says, are you ready for Friday's Civil War test? If not, then this flex period is for you. During this time, we'll review the notes and key concepts, main ideas from this unit, and play a review game to prepare for Friday's test. This is open to any Navy team student who has me for their as their social studies teacher. And we'll put the location as room 405, and then the capacity. Remember, you have to put in a number, and 25 is the amount of spaces that you should be planning for when you do your flex period. So always put in 25 or a number that adds up to 25, and I'll get to that in the next screencast. And then click on your category, which is support, and then we'll say create offering. So now it is there. I'm going to pause the video for just a second. I'm going to fill up some more courses for Andy's course offerings, and I'll get back to you in just a second. Okay, now I'm back at the login screen, and I've uploaded some more course offerings for Andy. So if I go in there again and click on Edit Offerings, you will see that Andy's now has 6 different offerings in his toolbox, which is nice because you can go in and edit these, and I'll talk about that in my next screencast.